Hello again, Phoebe Tonsoaki is here. Today I want to make a Relics Earthenware with the Lindy's magical shaker. I hope you like it. We are using some clay parts here. Any clay will do good, but you have to glue it on the surface before it dries, because after drying it won't be able to curve the shape that you want. Remember to let the crackle paint to dry overnight. Do not be impatient and use the glue gun to hit it, because it will make it less crackle and less whistle. After the clay parts are thoroughly dried, now we can put paint on them. Remember to use some texture paste to fill the gap between the clay parts and the surface. The fun of this project is to test with different texture paste with magical shakers, so you can use anything you like. Now I'm starting to use the magical shakers to add colors. There are many of them that have multiple colors inside and also shimmer. You have to pick your favorite colors to try, and I have used various colors here just to test the colors come out. Move your object around and around in different directions for the water and magical shakers to go in different directions and different texture. I'm using the Grab a Guy Gold and the California Poppy Gold together to make highlight with gold shimmer. I wanted to have a darker color to highlight the edges or the whole surface, so I use these two colors to make a purple tone to make the highlight. I feel the colors right now is a little bit too bright, so I'm using the sidewalk chalk color to tone down the color's brightness and then make it more ancient looking. Thank you very much for watching. I know this video is kind of long and I fast forward a lot to speed it up, but I hope you will like it and maybe inspired by it. Thank you very much for supporting Lindy's. Bye bye.